Good morning. We've made it to Friday. All right, we're going to start morning meeting together. First, we start with today. This picture means today.
Today is.
Today is, and I just said it. Do you remember?
Today is Friday.
There it is in a sentence. Today is Friday. Can you touch Friday? Good job. All right, this picture means month.
The month is.
The month is. This month we celebrate Mother's Day this weekend. Can you find the picture of the month with the mom and the baby?
May.
Let's say it in a sentence.
The month is May.
Good job. Okay, the date. The date is May 8th.
8th.
So let's say that in a sentence.
The date is 8th.
The date is May 8th. Weather. All right, if you haven't already today, go look out the front door or a window and see what the weather is. So the weather right now is rainy. And I think it's supposed to rain a lot today. So we will say
Rainy.
in a sentence,
the weather is rainy.
The weather is rainy. Good job. All right, do you remember what this picture means?
The temperature is.
The temperature is. The temperature today is 53 degrees, which is cool. Touch cool.
Cool.
And we will say that in a sentence.
The temperature is cool.
All right, good job, friends. Today, I need everyone to work on their IEP goals, to do reading, to do math, and then if you want to do special areas, they are listed on our website. Bye, friends.